specific contacts to bypass do not disturb mode on Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to settings, then go to notifications. Go to do not disturb. Then in this exception section, go to calls, messages and conversation. Go to calls and then select favorite contacts only. Or you can also choose contacts only or none or also all. You can also turn on repeat callers like this. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.